Hello guys, today we're going to be pruning up some trees. I have a magnolia tree over here on the side of my house. I'm going to be pruning that and then cutting down some shit trees, I call them, because they grow everywhere. They're invasive, I don't know what kind they are. So, we'll meet you outside. Okay, moving onward, kids. Oh, come on, guys. That was already cut. See, dope. What the hell? Can you carry this? And we'll move on to the others.
Be careful.
Oh, yeah. Y'all know I have my PPE on, my protective eyewear. Because you know I can't see, so. But I don't have chaps on, of course. Here's victim number one. I don't even know what's planted here. I don't think anything. Salt, please. Salt, please. Thank you. Now, my prediction, the wind's blowing that way, so we'll see.
Where do you want me at?
Push, if you could, the tree. That way? Nope, the other way.
Well,
Come over here and push it that way. But as you go in here,
watch your legs.
and this.
This thing's got thorns on it, Rob.
Huh?
This thing's got thorns on it. Why don't you come cut this down first? It's got thorns on it.
I need this button first. Bound up in there. Then. Is that cut all the way through? That one?
It's just a little bit, you know, it's a little bit there and a little bit down there. It's green.
Yeah.
Here we go, I broke it.
Okay. Good. Good job, Bob.
I hear you, Bob.
Oh! Yep.
Where are you trying to go?
Forward to this next shit tree.
wait a minute before you start it. Hold it up. You got like a limb right there on your saw,
Okay,
on the blade, I should say.
Push the button. Yeah.
No, see it right there? You need to get it off.
Well, I can't now, but it sucks like that. Grind it out.
Got it.
Push the button, please. Thank you. Nope. Don't have the right angle of the dangle, man. Okay. Push the button.
You got the button?
Trying. Why? Oh my God. Nope, the other way. Shit.
Well. Thorns on it. Oh, I can't push it.
Oh, why did it do that? See?
Safety precaution.
It's pinched. You have to push the
Right.
tree. Hold on. Nope, it's pinched. You gotta push the tree. No. Why?
Because you need a little chainsaw.
No, I need to get this pinched.
Ow.
Oh.
Mm-hmm.
It won't do nothing. Now, smell that gas.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Ow. Them things hurt.
Mm-hmm. Why? But why? Can you push on the tree? Okay. pissing me off. Coming in. Justin Timberland. Oh my. So, friends, I'd like to say thank you for subscribing, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Make 'em count.